Ellie Zabke, and Arden Heflin. Here's a cute picture of a dolphin. The dolphin is a mammal. It is a warm-blooded animal. Where does it live? It lives in the ocean. How does it move? The dolphin swims, flaps, dives, and jumps. What does it eat? The dolphin is a carnivore. It eats fish, squid, and shrimp. How is babies born? Dolphin babies are born alive and they have one baby at a time. How does it protect itself? It has bright colors on its belly to blend in the ocean. What are some of its adaptations? Dolphins breathe with oxygen from the water around them. They flip tails fast to turn. And they use echolocation to stun fish that they want to eat. Here are some fun facts about dolphins. They can jump 16 feet, and every dolphin has a whistle of its own. The dolphin gets up to breathe for 2 seconds. Resources. Here's some of the resources we use. We use the website pebblegO.com. And we use these 2 books, Dolphin Babies by Nicola Davies and Dolphins by Josh Gregory.